Namaste, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze, and in this video we will see about 2 factorial CRD tool using Agri Analyze. Now we will move forward to our Excel tool. This Excel tool is for factor A with 4 level, factor B with 5 level, replication with 3. Researcher can give the number of level for factor A, factor B and number of replication, and in return he will receive the customized 2 factorial CRD Excel tool. The best part about this Excel tool is that if I change the data, the result get automatically changed. This Excel sheet is dynamic in nature. So the output consists of ANOVA and their sources are factor A, factor B, interaction, error and total. And here we have degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean square, calculated F value, P value, result and so on. Results are based on the alpha value set by the researcher. If the alpha value is 0.05, that means results are written at 5% level of significance. If you want to change it to 1%, just go to the alpha value over here and change it to 0.01. And now you can see result got changed and it is at 1% level of significance, and again I am changing it to 0.05. After that we have statistics, that is SEM, SED, critical difference at 5%, critical difference at 1% and coefficient of variance. All the statistics are for factor A, factor B and interaction. Then we have mean, standard error and standard deviation for factor A, factor B and interaction. This 2 factorial CRD Excel sheet is also available for different types of transformation like square root transformation, log transformation and arc sine transformation. Let's go to the website and see how to get 2 factorial CRD Excel tool. So this is the website of Agri Analyze, and to get 2 factorial CRD Excel tool, click on Excel tool and then go to design of experiment, and in CRD Excel tool select 2 factor CRD Excel. Now I want an Excel tool for 2 factor CRD, so I will write here 3 in replication, 4 in factor A, 5 in factor B. I want the result to get interpreted at 5% alpha, so I will write here 0.05. You can change this letter in the sheet, but you cannot change the number of replication, number of level for factor A and for factor B. Now select the transformation type. Here I don't want any types of transformation, so I am kept selecting none, but you can also opt for square root, log transformation and arc sine transformation. I need to pay some nominal charges for the Excel tool. So click on checkout. Now click on download button and we have our Excel tool ready. So this is the same Excel tool that I have shown here. Just replace your data with your data and you are good to go with analysis. Now let's see how to get a transformation for 2 factor CRD Excel tool. Now go to the website again. Here select 3 in replication, 4 in factor A, 5 in factor B. Alpha value will be 0.05 and transformation type will be square root. Now for transformation we need to have one additional parameter. So here it is written 0.5 for square root of x plus 0.5 and 1 for square root of x plus 1. Basically the value that you want to add. So I want square root transformation by the addition of 0.5. So I will write here 0.5. Now I will click on checkout button. Again, you need to pay some nominal charges for the Excel tool. Now click on checkout button. So this is the Excel tool for square root transformation. This is the input data. I need to place my data here and it will perform the transformation of my data over here. So in order to activate the addition of 0.5 value, I will write here 1. So it will add 0.5 prior to the transformation. That means, let's say here 36 plus 0.5, that means 36.5. And if I do square root of this, I will get the same value. So let's check it. You can see the values of square root of 36.5 is matching over here. You can change the additional value here. Let's say I am changing it to 1. You can see the result got changed. So here as we already discussed it, with a complete ANOVA, then it will have different test statistics. Here is the additional thing that you will get. For each factor you will get mean, standard error, standard deviation and retransform value. So you will get for factor A, factor B and interaction. So this is all about Two Factor CRD Excel tool using AgriAnalyze. So I hope you like this video and a tool. If you have any type of question or a query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. Thank you for watching.